Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing episode of Texas Swine Snipers. I'm your host Trip. As promised, if you saw the first video of the Barrett FieldCraft rifle, I am at the range today and I'm going to take some shots so that you guys can hear what it sounds like suppressed with the Harvester suppressor. This is a direct thread suppressor for bolt action rifles, and we've got it outfitted with the Vortex Light Hunter optic. So guys, I just wanted to apologize today. I am actually the cameraman, so you will be watching me cameraman myself. Actually, it's going to be probably more so my range bag, so just hopefully we can get all this on camera and catch you guys some good audio while the wind is not blowing. So with that being said, let's get to it.